Welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to set up customized help links for your Okta sign-in widget. Whether you're using Okta Classic Engine or Okta Identity Engine, we've got you covered. First up, why customize help links? Well, it's all about giving your users that extra bit of support right when they need it during their Okta login process. So, let's dive in. Head over to your Okta admin console. Look for the Customizations tab and then click on Brands. From there, select your brand to get started. Under Pages, you'll find the Sign-in page section. Here's where the magic happens. Click Configure, then Labels, and finally dive into the Customized Help Links section. Here, click on Edit. In the Custom Link 1 text field, you can type in whatever you want your help link to say. For example, typing Extra Help makes this text appear as a clickable link for your users. Next, in the Custom Link 1 URL field, put in the web address where you want your users to land when they click your custom help link. Hit Save to Draft to save your changes. Not quite done yet, make sure you click Publish to make your changes go live. Last but not least, take a moment to check that your customized help link looks good and works right on your Okta sign-in widget. Proceed to sign out. Here we can see that the extra help link is present. And that's it. You've now added a personalized touch to the Okta login page, making it easier and more user-friendly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.